I'm in Shenzhen. I'm participating in the Anet's 3D printing competition. I welcome you to join us.
Привет, меня зовут Андрей. Я нахожусь в Москве. Я участвую в конкурсе 3D-печати от Anet.
안녕하세요. Anet 한국 협력사 백가소르입니다. 이벤트 많이 참여해주세요.
I'm in China. I'm participating in the Anet 3D printing competition. Welcome you to join us.
Hi, I'm Tomasz. I am a maker from Poland. I am participating in 3D printing contest organized by Anet 3D. Join the contest right now.
Hi, I'm Uruguay and I'm participating in the 3D printing contest organized.
我们在爱能特生产线，欢迎您加入2018爱能特 3D 打印大赛，我们竭诚为你服务。
爱能特制作中心竭诚为您服务。
Research and Development Team.
Welcome to join Anet's global 3D printing competition and show your creativity to the world.
加油！
加油！
为了你。